All right, I have a package from Blackbird, which means there's going to be some frozen pizzas in here. It's also perishable, so let's just get right into it, and we're going to do a little taste test. They have pizzas and wings, and apparently they have a new flavor. Ooh, I need one of these, a Blackbird pizza cutter, which I've got the long one, but I don't have one of these ones, so that's awesome. We have some pizzas. Oh, it looks like some kind of monster tried to get into the first one. Pepperoni pizza with Beyond Meat. So this is their new one. They also have some delicious vegan wings from Blackbird. The only place I know where to buy these around where I live is PNC, which there is one in Ithaca, New York, which I found these pizzas. And pepperoni, Beyond Meat. We're gonna pop one of these open and we're gonna put it in our already preheated oven. So this is hand tossed. The crusts on these are amazing. They're made right in New York City. In fact, I'm actually friends with one of the co-owners who was on the Strong Hearts Vegan Power running team when I did that with them years ago. So let's get this sharp knife, get right into there. Oh, this is gonna be good. What kind of cheese do they have on this? New Meteor pepperoni, so that's the newer part of it. Heating instructions: set your oven to 450 degrees. We want a hot oven for this. And put the pizza right out of the box, take the plastic off it, and you can just place it right on the rack. Bake for about 8 minutes, leave for about 2, unless you're me and you want to just burn your mouth. It's already preheated, so we're gonna put this in there for 8 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna count to 8 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 minutes 58, 7 minutes 59, 8 minutes. Time to take it out. Look at that. And there it is. Smells so good. Let's take the cutter. That works really good. Works a lot better than I thought, actually. So now we have our pizza all cut, all ready to go, and the only thing left to do is to try a piece. All right, let's get, this one right here has some nice pieces of pepperoni on it. All right, let's do it. Yeah, this is probably my favorite frozen pizza, Blackbird pizza. And they have a bunch of different flavors. They've got a Supreme that's really good. They got a Buffalo one. They've got a Cal one. Definitely check these guys out. I'll put the link to their site below. Maybe dip it in some sauce, buffalo, marinara, even maybe some ranch. Good stuff. Well, that's it for this video. I gotta get going. As always, stay safe, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you next time. Pizza.